welcome to Dinah's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to make a mango tropical glazed salmon. Yes, guys, glazed salmon. Yes, guys, and I want to share it with you. All right, let's start, guys. All right, guys, so I have everything here that I'm going to use. First, I'm going to use some salmon, guys. I have about 4 pieces of salmon. I already cleaned my salmon, washing everything, my salmon. So I have a mango here that I'm going to peel and blend it my mango. So I have my mango, and I have my ginger here, and I have my honey here, my coconut milk. I have my pepper here, and I have a little lemon juice. All right, guys, so now we're going to do some blending. Okay, all right, guys, so I have in the blender, I have the some mango in the blender. So oh, guys, making a whole big mess all over the place. Anyway, guys, I have my coconut milk, so I'm going to pour some coconut milk on the mangoes. Gonna put a good amount of coconut milk. Then I'm going to put some of my ginger. I'm going to eyeball it, maybe a half a teaspoon of ginger. Not too much ginger. Half a teaspoon will do right. Then I'm going to put my pepper seed, red pepper seed. I'm not going to put all of this, just going to put like a half a teaspoon. I think that's about half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to put my lemon juice. That's enough. Then I'm going to put like a tablespoon of honey. Okay, that will do it. Then we're going to blend everything together now, guys. Guys, I want to taste that nice ginger, and I want to taste a nice spice. I think I'm going to use some more pepper flakes, because I want to taste the ginger, and I want to taste the I'm going to put a pinch more ginger. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm looking for this nice gingerish, pepperish, but at the same time mellow taste in my mouth. That's what I'm looking for, and I just got it. So now, okay, all right, guys, so now we're gonna pour this over our salmon. I already salt and pepper my salmon. Then we're gonna leave some of it, guys, so when we put our salmon to bake, we can use this on top of our salmon, okay, to base it while it's cooking. So you're gonna leave this for about 15 minutes. You want to make sure you get everything nice and well coated. So I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. If I need extra time, I will put it for another 5 minutes. Then, guys, I'm going to use this and just like every 5 minutes or 3 minutes, I just use a brush and just brush the top of my salmon, you know, to get all these nice juice in my salmon, okay? All right, guys, so we're going to stop it in the oven again. See. Okay, guys, so we're gonna pour some fresh season, mango, and some bell pepper, okay, and a little tomato. Then we're gonna give it a little color, a little tip of browning. Medium heat, a little bit of sauce. This is the browning, just a little tip. You want to get a little color. Now our sauce is finished. So we're going to pour this over our salmon. Now we're going to just pour our sauce all over it. Alright guys, so that's my complete meal, looking really delicious. So guys, if you watch the video and you like, please consider to donate to my channel any amount. Support my channel. It's what a monthly, or you can do a one-time gift. Thanks so much. God bless.